Still a proper brute, isn't it?
Yeah, AECs were built to last.
Wonder what it's seen.
A lot, I'd bet. It's time to find out.
It's an AEC, all right. Just needs a little work.
Let's see if it's completely frozen. Surface rust. Structure might still be good. Did you see that? It turned.
She's not seized.
There's still hope for this old girl. The hydraulics will need a complete rebuild.
But the structure itself
Straight ahead! Ahead!
The final checks are complete. Chains are tight. Binders are locked. The massive crane truck sits firmly secured on the lowboy transport trailer.
She's clear. Keep it steady. Coming up. Coming up and to the right. Watch the cradle. Coming out now. Watch the clearance. Got it. Keep pulling slow. All right, she's breaking free now. Take it slow. Clear on this side. Keep her steady. Bring it down slowly now. Looks aligned. Contacting the stand. Ease up on the tension.
The mechanics begin the complete internal disassembly of the engine. The first step is removing the heavy cylinder head.
tapping the steel with a small hammer. Each sound tells a story.
Instead of paint, the team applies a clear protective coating. The raw steel remains visible, every repair, every weld, every mark of history preserved. Every welded section has been smoothed, every panel aligned, every inch of the frame carefully prepared.
Inch forward, hold it there. Inch forward, hold it there. Bring it up slow. All right, hold it there. Need to move it left a fraction. Copy that, shifting left.
The axle is clamped to the leaf springs using heavy U-bolts. Each bolt is tightened evenly to ensure proper load distribution and stability. The axle is clamped to the leaf springs using heavy U-bolts. Each bolt is tightened evenly.
Shock absorbers are installed between the axle and chassis. The mechanic aligns the mounting points in
Lower, slowly.
The truck is no longer just assembled, it is ready to breathe. All that remains is the first ignition.
The engine is finally back where it belongs, bolted securely into the chassis, but still silent.
The engine is alive. But now comes the critical phase, making sure it stays alive.
The engine is alive. But now comes the critical phase, making sure it stays alive.
Easy now, watch that gap. Looks good, hand me the impact.
That coupling is secure.
Okay, pull the lever, pressure check initiated.
System rebuilt. Pressure looks good.
Easy, slow. Easy, slow.